Okay, this is the end of week 2. We discussed two important modules, module 3 and module 4. Module 3 on jurisdictional issues in cyberspace. So I hope you have been able to have a very clear understanding of what is internet jurisdiction, whether the traditional norms or traditional rules of jurisdiction apply to internet jurisdiction or cyber jurisdiction also. I hope you would also appreciate the new jurisdictional rules of Indian court relating to cyberspace. We also discussed various tests laid down by the court to decide what would be the jurisdiction. So tests such as the sliding scale test, the effect test, the target test, all of them were discussed under this module. What is the role of the court? What is the role of a judge to determine or decide jurisdiction in case of cyberspace is a very significant issue, and this was also discussed under this module. Out of all the tests which we discussed in this module, which test did India adopt? What stand has been taken by India? This was also discussed. You also must have a clear idea after reading this module, what are the provisions related to jurisdiction under the Indian IT Act, Section 1, Section 75, what is the extraterritorial effect which Section 75 has. So all this was discussed under this module related to the jurisdictional issues. In module 4, we discussed the case laws pertaining to the jurisdictional issues in cyberspace. So there have been many cases decided by Indian courts, there have been cases decided by US, by UK, by Australian courts to determine and decide what exactly what should be the position when it comes to deciding the jurisdiction in cases of cybercrime, in cases of cyber offences. Because as we know that cyberspace is boundaryless, it's borderless. How jurisdiction should be decided, how should we still protect the rights of each others when it comes to cross-border jurisdiction. So this was all determined and decided in cases which have been elaborately discussed in module 4. At the end of the module, you were given some readings, some references. I hope they have been of much help to you in additional knowledge to procure extra knowledge. At the end of the module, you would be given an assessment. So wish you all the very best for this week and also for the next week. See you in the next week.